Hello everyone, welcome back to Colorido. This is Tina. Nice to see you again. Most of the people might concern that once if I bought your sock printer, what kind of the service you can offer me? And they might worry about how about the installation service and training course, and how about the later printing solution, and how about the maintenance. So today I will explain. First of all, installation service. So people might ask, if you would offer the installation service? The answer is definitely yes. We offer two ways: the online installation and at site. So which one is most convenient for you? Then we use which one. And secondly, the training course. Normally, we will offer you 1 or 2 days training course if we offer you the installation at site. So we can offer you the online guidance and give you the training course step by step, teaching you how to use it. And also we have our YouTube channel, and there we have the live stream. So every day we have the actual production workspace for you to look at the actual printing during production. You can see how it is running. So any question, you can leave your comments there. We can reply. This is another way for you to learn. And after you have known all about this machine and start printing job, and then if the printing solution will be upgraded, the answer is definitely yes. Once we have any upgraded the ICC profile or the new color printing solution, we will share our customer as the first priority. And the ink, we suggest you to use the Colorido original ink to be sure that the color will be vibrant and it is not clogged for the print pad. And some people might ask that before I get your sock printer, if you can print for us. Yes, sure, why not? If you wanted to print the samples, please give us your design. We will print on the actual socks and for you to check out if the color is vibrant, if the precision is high, if the visual positioning system will be upgraded freely. Yes, sure, except this, and all the mainboard or the Print EXP software are all included for the free upgrade. So during printing, and once if you have any issue occurred in this process, how shall we do? Don't worry. If you think that is necessary, we can send the technician at site to resolve the problem, or we can offer you the online guidance for you to get the problem resolved, or even we can remote your computer and let you to get rid of the problem. So from the first beginning of the installation of the new printer till the training course and till the upgraded color solution or the later maintenance guidance or the other issue occurred and get this problem resolved, don't worry, we are here. We are always here and support you at your back. So get the Colorido sock printer, you will get the maintenance forever. Okay, so all in all, if you are thinking about get the sock printer to create your business in the customized sock printing, get the Colorido sock printer. Give us a chance to offer you the service. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.